Get in, loser, we're going shopping.
Hi babes, hi Sunnies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, the welcome to my channel is Day back again with a video for y'all. So if you haven't read that title already, we're gonna be doing a cooking video, another one in my cute kitchen. So yeah, today we're gonna be making stuffed shells. I've never made stuffed shells a day in my life, but I feel like it can't be that hard. It's similar to like any other pasta, but you're gonna put the meat like inside of the noodles. So it's a lot of prep for this particular meal, and I've kind of been dreading this part, like cleaning the shrimp and everything. It's such a drag. So yeah, I have shrimp and then I have chicken. So I'm gonna do shrimp and chicken stuffed shells with a little bit of spinach. So let's go ahead and hop into this video. I don't want to be cooking all night long, baby. I'm hungry, I just want to eat, but I did want to record this video for y'all because it's my first time making it. I've been seeing it all over TikTok and I wanted us to make it together. So first things first, I'm gonna make me a little drinky drink, just a little bit of wine while I'm cooking, because like, why not? So this is my little drinky drink right here. It's Roscato Sweet Red. I've been on this real bad. It's literally like almost empty. I don't know, fall and winter just gives red wine vibes. Red wine pour. But cheers. Hopefully this food turns out so bomb. Ooh. The wine definitely needs some ice. I should have put ice in there, but I have these heart-shaped ice cubes. I'm gonna put it in there. They look like hearts. So yeah, a little bit of wine. So I already said the prep is gonna take the longest out of everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and put water in my pot right here to get the water going for the actual noodles. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so I have my water boiling on the stove for the noodles, and then I'm about to go ahead and tackle the shrimp and the chicken, go ahead and clean them. The shrimp is gonna take the longest because I have to peel and devein them, and I'm just not excited about it. But yeah, and then we have the chicken. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna do that and I'll come back. Okay, so after a very, very long time of prepping the chicken and the shrimp, finally have everything ready to go, and I'm about to cut this chicken up into cubes and season everything so that it can go in the pots. The water's still going. I'm gonna add like a dash of oil to like everything. Little oil here. Little oil here. So nothing won't burn. Okay, so everything is cooking up very nicely. We got the noodles going, we got the shrimp in the bag, chicken right here. I wanted to tell you guys how excited I was that I got some garlic paste. Like, I just feel like I'm real adult cooking. Like, yeah, I'm excited to use this clearly, but I don't know, it just gives adult, like it gives real deal adult cooking, you know? Garlic paste. So you guys just seen me chop up the onion and garlic. I'm about to add that to the chicken, and then I'm about to put the spinach in there too to cook down. So a little bit of onion for the shrimp, a little bit of onion, a little bit of garlic, just a tad bit of garlic, and then the chicken, we're just gonna dump that. So next we're gonna add this bag of spinach because you need a green always. In every meal you should always have some sort of vegetable. Okay, so I added the spinach in there, and y'all know spinach typically cooks down, so I'm gonna wait for it to cook down. Okay y'all, it's been a long time coming, but we're finally going to start putting everything together and start stuffing the shells. So I have Parmesan cheese, and then I have 2 things of this Bertolli Alfredo sauce. I would use heavy cream as well. Mine expired, so I would definitely recommend y'all get some heavy cream. I want to go ahead and start stuffing these shells into my pretty pink pan here. So I'm gonna put them in here, and I'm gonna put a little bit of sauce on the bottom. Okay, so this is how they turned out. I still have more, so I'm about to get ready to layer them, but this is like the first layer, I guess, and then I'm about to do a little bit more sauce on top. Like that, and then Parmesan cheese. Okay, so these are all the ones that I was able to get done. I ran out of meat. I guess I just over anticipated how much stuffing these jumbo shells actually take. So this is the finished product. I'm about to get ready to put some more sauce on there and do the same thing again to this like top layer. I wish I could just fill up this part of the pan. I wish, but we don't have any more meat. So let me just go ahead and do the sauce. This is another Bertolli. And yeah, I'm just gonna put a whole bunch of sauce on them. Make sure they're good and saucy. Because it's pasta and I don't like dry pasta. So I want to make sure when it goes in the oven, it's like covered really good. The pasta sauce, some Parmesan, so this is how it's gonna go in the oven, and I already started the oven, so let's go ahead and put this in there. Straight out of the oven. Okay, so this is my plate, and I just want to give it like one taste test on camera for you guys. It looks good, but let's see if it's good. Yep, did it again. Like, yeah, I did it again. This is actually good. I'm not bad. It's like seasoned to perfection. Love it. So yeah, this is the finished product of my stuffed shells pasta. I hope you guys enjoyed it, because I know I'm about to enjoy it. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you turn that post notification bell on so the next time I drop a video, babe, so you'll be notified. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram for daily content. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, I love you.